Okay children, now we have done till question number 10 in this miscellaneous exercise, whose second part I told you to do by yourself, as it was exactly same as first one, and I hope you have done also. Then question number 11 we'll do, and 12th one, right? 11th and 12th. Question number 11 have many times come in board exam, and this is very important and easy question. ठीक है, बस थोड़ा सा आपको इसमें ध्यान रखना होता है कि how to consider matrix X. How to consider means what should be the order of this matrix. That is important to know here. ठीक है, और ये 3 marks में या 4 marks में आया था क्वेश्चन, अभी हाल ही में आया था, last year I think. 11th one is saying find x so that we are given an equation, matrix equation दिया हुआ है. X is there, then 1 2 3, then this is 4 5 6 is equal to -7, -8, -9, and it is 2 4 6. ठीक है, -7, -8, -9, 2 4 6. अब देखो आपको दिया हुआ है product of two matrices equal to another matrix. So first of all, whatever is the matrix X, its order should be considered in such a way that the product becomes possible. ठीक है, because it is of order 2 cross 3 and answer is also of order 2 cross 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. So it should be, what should be the order of X? You can see it should be of order 2 cross 2, so that the product become possible, and then result will come of order 2 cross 3, क्योंकि आप 2 cross 2 का consider करके चलेंगे, and you are given 2 cross 3. इनका if you are finding the product of these two as the number of, you know the rule, number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of the other matrix, then the multiplication is possible, and the resultant will be of order 2 cross 3, which we have on right hand side, 2 cross 3. ठीक है, तो this matrix X you will assume of order 2 cross 2. Let X be any matrix like A B C D, all 4 are unknown. order आपने बस order समझने की क्या लेना है. ठीक है, now putting in this equation, ठीक है, putting in, I am considering the given equation as 1. So X is what? A, B, C, D. This into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is equal to negative of 7, negative 8, negative 9, 2, 4, 6. Now you know first row with first column, first row with second column, and first row with third column. ठीक है, so you will obtain first row with first column जब करोगे तो A plus 4B. First row with second column will give you 2A plus 5 times B, and this will give you 3A plus 6 times B. ठीक है, let's check the entries. A into 1 is A, B into 4 is 4B, then A into 2 is 2A, B into 5 is 5B, A into 3 is 3A, B into 6 is 6B. Similarly, we'll do with the second row, C plus 4D, 2C plus 5D, and 3C plus 6D, fine, is equal to -7, -8, -9, 2, 4, 6. Now you know, what do you know? That if two matrices are equal, ठीक है, if two matrices are equal, their corresponding elements are equated. ठीक है, so this implies A plus 4B is equal to -7, and this one I am comparing 2A plus 5B is equal to -8. ठीक है, so I'll multiply first equation by 2 in order to make the coefficient of A same, right? So it will be 2A plus 2 for the 8, B is equal to negative of 14. This is suppose equation number 2, this is 3. So what we have done here, equation number 2 we have multiplied with 2. ठीक है, so 2A plus 4 to the 8B is equal to -14. On subtracting, what we'll do now, we'll subtract, ये आ जाएगा माइनस, ये भी आ जाएगा माइनस, ये आ जाएगा प्लस. These two will get cancelled, and here we have 5 minus 8 minus 3B is equal to 14 minus 8, that is positive 6. So B comes 6 by -3, that is equal to -2. तो एक एंट्री हमारी क्या आ गई है? -2 आ गई है. ठीक है, now we can put the value of B in any of these equations. Suppose I put in the first one. Now A plus 4B is equal to -7. B की जगह पे आप -2 रखते हैं. Then you obtain A minus 8 is equal to -7. This implies A equals to 1. ठीक है, A will be coming how much? 1. Similarly, Now we'll take two equations containing C and D. C plus 4D is equal to, this element will be equated with 2, so this is equal to 2, and this element A22 will be equated with A22. ठीक है, so 2C plus 5D, दूसरी इक्वेशन है हमारे पास 2C plus 5D is equal to 4. I am multiplying this by 2. 2C plus 8D equals to, what we have, C plus 4D equals to 2, so I have multiplied by 2. 2C plus 8D equals to 4. 2C plus 5D equals to 4. Now the coefficient of C is same. The coefficient of C same है ना, so we'll subtract these. On subtracting, this becomes minus, this become minus, and this become minus. तो आपका ये कैंसिल हो गया. 3D equals to 0, तो D आपका क्या आ जाएगा, 0 आ जाएगा. ठीक है, this implies utilizing this space. Okay, you will do neatly on in the next line. 8 minus 5, 3D is equal to 0. This implies D is 0. Now C plus 4D is equal to 2. This implies C equals to, D के प्लेस पे आप 0 रख देंगे तो C equals to 2 आ जाएगा. C plus 0 equals to 2, that means C equals to 2. So we have obtained all the unknowns A, B, C, D. So the required matrix we'll write at last. So X equals to A, B, C, D it was. A के प्लेस पे आप रख दीजिए 1, B is minus 2, C is 2, and D is 0. Is the what? This is the required मैट्रिक्स. ठीक है, तो ये आपने क्या लिया, मैट्रिक्स निकाल दी जो आपको चाहिए थी. नाउ वी हैव क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 in continuation. Then these MCQs you will try yourself first. If any particular MCQ you will not get, then only I will take MCQs, because you have done whole chapter, so now you should be capable of, you are capable of doing it. ठीक है, तो आप करोगे इसे, right? Only 12th one I am taking. Then on my behalf this exercise will be complete. If excuse me, if A and B are the square matrices of some same order such that AB equals to BA, then we need to prove by induction that AB raised to the power n is equal to B raised to the power n A. Further we have to prove this. तो पहले तो first part को ही लेके चलते हैं. A and B are square matrices of same order. ठीक है, given, आप पूरा लिखोगे A and B are the square matrices of same order, which I am avoiding to write. ठीक है, I'm writing AB equals to BA. This is given. This is given. What we have to prove by induction, हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि AB raised to the power n is equal to B raised to the power n into A is equal to B raised to the power n into A. ये लेके आना है. ठीक है, so let us consider the given statement as Pn. Let the above statement be Pn. Then first of all we'll check it for n equals to 1. Induction में आप यही करते हो. First you need to check for 1, then you consider that Pk is 2, and then you prove that Pk plus 1 is also true. Let the above statement be Pn. Putting what, n is equal to 1, LHS becomes AB raised to the power 1, that is AB, and RHS becomes B raised to the power 1 into A, that is BA, and we are given that AB equals to BA. Otherwise we cannot equate in case of matrices, but हमें given है तो हम रख सकते हैं. And AB equals to BA, this is given. अब ये इक्वल है तो इसका मतलब क्या कि हमारा LHS is equal to RHS, that is LHS is equal to the RHS. That implies P1 is what? True. ठीक है, now we'll consider, now let us consider that PK is true. PK को हम true मान के चलेंगे, right? So AB raised to the power K is equal to B raised to the power K into A. ये हम लेके चलेंगे. All right. Then we need to prove for K plus 1. तो लेफ्ट साइड क्या आना चाहिए जब आपको K plus 1 के लिए ट्रू करना है, तो आप थोड़ा सा रफ वर्क देखिए. इट शुड बी ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड. ए बी रेज टू द पावर K plus 1 इक्वल्स टू B रेज टू द पावर K plus 1 इंटू A होना चाहिए. सो वील मल्टीप्लाई बाय B ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड. ठीक है, नाउ टू प्रूव दैट, नाउ in order to दिस आई एम कंसिडरिंग एज इक्वेशन नंबर 2. ये 1 था, इसको हमने 2 ले लिया. ठीक है, फिर यहाँ पे जहाँ गिवन लिखा है वहाँ पे फ्रॉम 1 भी आप लिख सकते हो. नाउ इन ऑर्डर टू प्रूव दैट pk plus 1 is true, what we'll do, multiplying by b both sides. ठीक है, हम मैट्रिक्स b का मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं कहाँ, ऑफ कोर्स ऑन बोथ द साइड्स. सो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड हो जाएगा ab रेज टू द पावर k इंटू b इज इक्वल टू b रेज टू द पावर k a इंटू b. ठीक है, this becomes ab raised to the power k plus 1, which is the required condition. ab raised to the power k plus 1 ही तो हमें चाहिए. So now we'll not disturb the left hand side, and right side this is b raised to the power k into ab, and we know that ab equals to ba. So I am shifting it, I am replacing it by ba. This is b raised to the power k into ab को हम बना देते हैं ba as it is given. ठीक है, this implies b raised to the power k plus 1 into a. So we get ab raised to the power k plus 1 is equal to b raised to the power k plus 1 into a, and that's what we have to prove. pk में आपका pk, whatever pk you have considered 2, in that k should be replaced by, we should be able to replace k by k plus 1, and that we have done. We have replaced k by k plus 1. यहाँ ab k था, so we have obtained ab raised to the power k plus 1. It was bka, now it is bk plus 1 into a. This implies pk plus 1 is also true. And now finally what you need to write, you will write yourself. ठीक है, आप लिखेंगे thus pn is true for all n belongs to n, hence verified or hence proved. ठीक है, but we have to do it second part also. वैसे तो आप similarly कर सकते हो. First you try doing yourself. If you are having any difficulty, then only you will refer to its solution. Otherwise आप खुद कीजिए. ठीक है, नहीं आएगा then you can go through it. If you have understood the first part, there will be no problem in second part. Further we have to prove. जब भी क्वेश्चन में ऐसे कहता है ना कि further this, further prove this, और कहता है hence prove this, it means for proving this we need to utilize the first part which we have already proved. जब इसकी हेल्प लोगे आप तभी आपका प्रूव हो पाएगा. ठीक है, now further to prove that, what we have to prove, ab raised to the power n is equal to what, an bn. ठीक है, ये प्रूव करना है. So let this be Pn. Let the above statement be Pn. ठीक है, then putting what procedure is same exactly. n is equal to 1. LHS में आ जाएगा ab raised to the power 1, that is ab, and on RHS we'll have, RHS में क्या होगा हमारे पास, a raised to the power 1 into b raised to the power 1, that is ab. Fine. So you can see LHS is equal to RHS. ये भी ab आ रहा है and this also is coming ab. This implies LHS equals to RHS. This implies P1 is true. Now next step में हम क्या consider करते हैं, pk को true assume कर लेते हैं. Now let us assume that pk is true, that is ab raised to the power k is equal to a raised to the power k, b raised to the power k. Now see this rough work. Induction में pk plus 1 पहले rough में समझ लेना चाहिए हमेशा. In 11th also I taught you this way only. ठीक है, you have considered pk true. Now you should see in the rough column somewhere कि pk plus 1 should be of what type. ठीक है, what we have to prove, we have to prove ab, we should get k replaced by k plus 1, so left side becomes ab raised to the power k plus 1, and this becomes a raised to the power k plus 1, b raised to the power k plus 1. ये हमें लेके आना है ना. तो अब आप क्या करोगे, आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के हिसाब से वर्क करते हो. तो ab raised to the power k plus 1, in order to obtain that we need to multiply by ab on both sides. ठीक है, so on multiplying by ab both sides. ठीक है, दोनों तरफ हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो दिस इज ab रेज टू द पावर k इंटू ab इज इक्वल टू ak bk ab. right? Now this becomes ab raised to the power k plus 1 which we require, so now we will not do anything on the left side. राइट साइड में क्या आ जाएगा, देखिए ये आ जाएगा a raised to the power k b raised to the power k into ba I am taking. Why? Because we are given that ab is equal to ba. ठीक है, क्योंकि इनको ऑपरेट करना चाहती हूँ ना मैं, दैट इज वाई. b k b, दिस बिकम्स a raised to the power k into b raised to the power k plus 1 into a. एंड अभी आपने प्रूफ किया था कहीं कि b रेज टू दी पावर k प्लस 1 को आप क्या लिख सकती हैं, ए बी रेज टू दी पावर k प्लस 1. सो वी कैन चेंज. ये देखो एक मिनट, दिख नहीं रहा था. नाउ इट इज विजिबल. इन फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव प्रूव दैट b रेज टू दी पावर k प्लस 1 a इज इक्वल टू ए बी रेज टू दी पावर k प्लस 1. दैट इज, इसको आप मान लीजिए थर्ड, यहाँ से लिख देंगे फ्रॉम थर्ड. ठीक है. So here I can write a raised to the power k into a raised to the a b raised to the power k plus 1. That is equal to a raised to the power k plus 1 b raised to the power k. That is the condition that we require. In this pk we have replaced, we are able to replace k by k plus 1. तो हमारा प्रूफ हो गया है ना. This implies, यहाँ पे पहले इसका LHS लिख दीजिए. So we have got ab raised to the power k plus 1 is equal to a raised to the power k plus 1 b raised to the power k plus 1. This implies pk plus 1 is also true. Hence जो आपको लिखना होता है, क्या लिखना होता है, Pn is true for all n belonging to n. Now children, these MCQs are left which I hope you will do yourself, and tomorrow I will not teach you. ठीक है, tomorrow I will not teach you. That means on Friday. ठीक है. This day I am giving you to complete this chapter, because unless and until you complete this chapter, that is of no use to start the new one. तो कल आप लोग इसे पूरा complete कर लीजिए anyhow, including all examples, all exercise questions. Then Saturday I'll start the chapter determinants. Okay.